Thermostat not responding to commands can totally mess up your comfort and make your home feel like a sauna or an icebox, so you gotta fix it fast. Alright, so first thing you want to do is just reboot your thermostat. Like, turn it off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Sometimes that's all it takes to get it working again. Next, check if the batteries are dead or low. Swapping them out can save you a headache. If it's still being stubborn, peek behind the thermostat and make sure all the wiring connections are tight and not loose or damaged. Loose wires can stop your thermostat from getting the message to heat or cool. Also, double-check your thermostat settings because sometimes they get accidentally changed or set to a mode that doesn't work. If you have a smart thermostat, make sure it's connected to Wi-Fi properly, since loss of connection can cause it to ignore your commands. Another tip is to look at your circuit breaker to see if the power to the thermostat zone is off. Finally, if none of this works, it might be time to call in a pro to avoid making things worse. One of the biggest mistakes with thermostat issues is ignoring the batteries. People often forget these little suckers power the whole thing, so replacing them is key. Another common problem is skipping the wiring check. Loose wires are a sneaky cause of thermostat silence, and tightening them usually does the trick. Lastly, a lot of folks don't realize their thermostat might just need a reboot or a software update if it's smart tech, so don't overlook that simple fix before calling for help. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it helps you find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and won't rip you off. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to get new clients and build your business without all the hassle.